Ravan, Suprakha, Bharat, Hanuman and Yudhishthir. रघुकुल रीति सदा चली आए, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. Let us know about Maharaj Darshan from my friend Manisha.
Darshan was very famous and the great king of the Scythian dynasty of Ayodhya kingdom. He, being the husband of queens Kaushalya, Kaikeyi and Sumitra, and the father of four sons, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan, takes great care of Sita in his kingdom. He undertook the great devotion Ram and Lakshman, the forest, along with Sita, in order to fulfill the king's promise and wife, Kaikeyi. After so long time, pain becomes unbearable for them, and dies even the even still, he had long living. Shravan Kumar, the only child of Lakshmi and
Thank you, Manisha. Sur, Nar, Muni Jiva ki Riti, Swarat Lal, Kare Sab Preeti. Now let us know about Rani Kaikeyi from my friend Anushka.
Kaikeyi was one of the kings Darshan, he liked, and queen of Ayodhya, the youngest mother of Lord Ram and mother of Bharat. She was raised by her Lord Mantra, who accompanied Kaikeyi to Ayodhya, and her husband made upon her marriage to Darshan. During her fierce battle, in fact, when Kaikeyi acted as a charioteer, Darshan felt by her courage and knightly service offered her to him. However, Kaikeyi chose to add those later. When Mantra's own dynasty, Kaikeyi asked the king of Ayodhya to offer his throne to her son Bharat, and further demanded the exile of Ram from Ayodhya for 14 long years. Thank you, and then
हरिहरन तथा अनंत कहू सुनहु बहुविध सब संता. Main character of the epic Ramayana. Let us know about Bhagwan Ram from my friend Ajika.
Lord Ram, better known as Veda is the incarnation of Hindu god Vishnu. He is the central figure of the Hindu epic Ramayana. Born as the eldest son of Kaushalya and Dashrath, ruler of Ayodhya kingdom, his life and journey son of Bharat Rama. Fight has death and of results in many cases of life and times. She was his father's son as Rama went into adventure. It was not that he died of 15 years in the forest. He went to the forest with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman. While in exile, Sita was kidnapped by Ravan, the king of Lanka. After the long and arduous search and fight the colossal battle against Ravana's army in a war of powerful and radical kings, greatly discussed the weaponry and weapons. Rama faced Ravana in the camp and placed his wife. Having completed his battle, Rama returned to his family in Ayodhya and eventually became emperor. Ruled with happiness, peace, duty, prosperity, and justice. Thank you and jai.
धीरज धर्म मित्र अरुणानी आपत्ति काल पर रखियो जारी. Now let us know about Maharani Sita from my friend Trisha.
Goddess Sita, the eldest daughter of the king Jana, an incarnation of power, an epitome of strength, a beautiful daughter, a faithful wife, and a loving and caring mother. She had to undergo lots of trials and tribulations in her marital life, and had left all the glitters, all the luxuries, and comfort of the royal it is her courage, chastity, adherence to dharma, that she came out as a winner. Goddess Sita showed us how a strong woman should be, how a woman should never let go of her principles in life. Thank you, Angelic.
वही गुलाम रसीनाथ का को कनेक्शन बनावे था Lakshman, the younger brother of Ram. Let us know about this personality from my friend Aradhya. Lakshman was born to be Sumitra as younger brother to Lord Ram. His ability to Lord Ram took the life to never sustain company of Ram. Whether it was forest, battle of Lanka, or Ayodhya, he made a son of Ram. He was so fast and strong that when he went to help Ram to advance after their march, he drew a safety line called Lakshmanaka to protect the goddess Sita. As no harm could be done within the wild, this is kept the London in the night. Lakshman is and idle brother is associated that forever. Thank you, Anjali. जहाँ सुमति वहाँ संपत्ति गाना, जहाँ सुमति वहाँ विपत्ति निदाना. The adorable brother of Ram. Let us know about Bharat from my friend Dityanshu. The second son of King Dasharatha and the beloved brother to Lord Ram is Bharat. He is a good devotee of Lord Ram and an epitome of patience. When he gets to know about his mother Kaikeyi, he goes to forest and is vegetable to return. Ayodhya is the first to be joined on the right tree by Ram. Links around the principles of Lord Ram and keeping them on the throne. He runs side the special feelings of unattached from all the worldly pleasures. One will lift up person to look at man, who himself is mighty of being as powerful as Bharat. His pure heart, Bharat was very person. Thank you, Angela. Sunnakha Ravan ki bahini dusht gaddarun ayubi. Let us know about Sunnakha, the sister of Ravan from my friend Akshita.
Was in the forest during the years of exile. A beautiful woman went upstairs with Ram extracted a period and proposed him to get married with her. Lord Ram then saw Lakshman, saying that he is already married and taken the oath of having one wife only. Lakshman also denies this time, but she becomes angry for her desire. She tries to harm Sita, considering her main problem. At this, Lakshman cut her nose and ear, protecting Sita from following. She turns back to herself. She goes to her brother Ravan and he went to take revenge for what happened to Ravan, but not to matters, and gets killed by Lord Ram in a battle. Thank you, Angel.
जाओ प्रभु दारुण दुखरीना वाती मती पहले हरीना. Major negative character of the Ramayana. Let us know about Ravan from my friend Nidhi.
A great and uninspired devotee to Lord Shiva, a great scholar, a great practitioner of meditation, master of many abilities, a symbol of power, are some of the effective for Ravan, the demon king who defeated many deities and other powerful persons. Being blessed by Lord Shiva, he had attained immortality unless or until the nectar in his liver is perfect and dry. Being obsessed with his might and power, he kidnapped Sita, the wife of Lord Ram, and created circumstances for the battle. Finally, is killed in the battle by Lord Ram. In the end, the curtain of ego falls from his eyes and he identifies Lord Ram as complete incarnation of Lord Vishnu and is sent to heaven. Thank you and Jai Hind.
राम राम तेरी सुमिरन कीना, हृदय हर्ष कपित just कीना. Let us know about the vision from my friend Divyanshi.
The legendary epic romance. He was younger brother of the king Ravana of Lanka and king of peaceful friends. He was born in a lemon race, though a lemon himself. Bhishma was a noble character, pure heart and soul, and while Ravana in an orderly fashion from birth. When his brother did not listen to his advice, Bhishma joined Ram's army. Later, when Ram defeated Ravana, Ram crowned Vibhishana as the king of Lanka. Thank you.
लाल दिख लाली रसे अधर लाल फूल वज्र देव दानव दनक जय 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 कपिसूर पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. Now here is my friend Richard to tell you about Hanuman.
Hanuman is one of the greatest characters of the Ramayana. He is the Sri Ram and he is the son of Kesi and Anjana, and he is also the son of Pawan, the wind god. He is the incarnation of Lord Shiva. Hanuman is very wise and powerful. He does every possible and impossible act in Sri Ram's war against Ravana. He crosses the Great Sea, goes to Lanka to know about Sita. When Ravana tries to burn his tail, he burns a large part of Lanka. In the war, he saves the life of Lakshman by bringing the Sanjeevani booty from the Himalayas. Unable to distinguish the plant, he brings the whole mountain so powerfully. It is not possible to narrate all the stories of Sri Hanumanji here, so I am finishing with these lines. Please join me loudly. Siya Balaram